Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome to Millennial Investments for yet another daily trade review. Before we get started, though, please be sure to like and subscribe to the channel to show your support. That's all we ask. Moving forward, though, we're going to be doing a review over RKT, a simple chart analysis and expectations as to identifying some key levels of support and resistance going into the trade if you're looking on making an investment on the company. So, one thing that I want to point out, ever since this stock IPO'd back in August of 2020, it has some resistance around the 24.24, which you can see we're sitting at the 24.21 now. And we can look on a lower time frame to see how the price is correlated with that level. And as you can see, we've been bumping it ever since pre-market on Friday, and it actually had some strong rejection going into Friday. But last week, the entire market was pulling back a little bit. This week, we gapped up and it gained the momentum to test those levels again. Currently sitting 4 cents below it. And on the 1 hour, I'd like to bring in some of my indicators here to basically solidify the fact that we're gaining the momentum to break above the 24.24, and what we expect beyond that price level as far as a price target or expectation is basically retesting these 29.30 price levels. We'll call that our high end resistance, and then those 24.24s will play as our mid-level resistance. So if we're able to continue moving forward, we're about 2 cents away from it now, and find that support above that, we expect this to slingshot to the 29.30s moving forward. I just wanted to provide this this chart analysis for you first, so you can kind of understand what to expect and how to trade. If you find the support above the 24.24, that would be an entry point going into the stock, as long as we confirm we find support above it. And then from there, we're shooting for the 29.30s and retesting those levels, as it has found strong resistance there before as well. And if we are able to basically get above those 29.30 levels, then that's confirmation that you can just let this run moving forward. I am going to start doing something new where I bring in some fundamental analysis on these trades that I provide reviews on. And one thing I would like to point out is EPS growth year over year is currently showing 31% growth, and net profit margins are around 16%, which is fine. It's low growth, lower stock growth, but it's fine. Quarter over quarter looks a lot better on EPS growth, though. We're near 100%, short about 0.3%. And one thing I'd like to point out is the fact that we're seeing a negative 5,400% in net profit margins, and I would actually suggest doing your DD and determining why the company is not performing at those levels. But ultimately, just basing it off of the chart analysis, as we are retesting those 24.24s as we speak now, it was just at 24.25. Just pay attention to that key level moving forward and making sure we find the support above it. If we continue to find rejections, I expect this to bounce back down at least to the let's see, right around the 22.90s before bouncing off of it. Of course, if we break below that, then it's going straight back down to 19.20s. So just be careful here. I know a lot of people are talking about this, a lot of investor sentiment to the bullish side of it based on the momentum that it's seeing, but as you can see, it's been a current battle of getting above that 24.24. Like I said in the beginning of the video, though, I want to first thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video, and I also want to thank you ahead of time for showing your support for the channel if you like and subscribe to us as we continue to provide these daily trade reviews here at Millennial Investments. Also, if you think anyone would be interested with this information, feel free to share it on all of your social media platforms that you may be a part of a community on, so that other people can be aware of these key levels as well, just to be safer on making an investment here. I'm not saying that the stock is not going any higher than 29.30. I'm just realistically looking at what the charts are telling me right now, and based off the fundamentals that I have put into question of why we haven't stayed above those 24.24 levels. But as we're currently speaking, it's at 24.29. So maybe you can use this to continue trading this stock. I will share the trading view charts moving forward in our description below, so feel free to look at that to use this as a basis to continue tracking your trade moving forward. And if you have any questions or feedback, feel free to leave it in the comments below. Otherwise, thank you for taking the time and watching this and supporting the channel, and I hope you have a great day. Good luck trading, and keep your head up. Go make some money.